How to block someone on Teams. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block someone on Microsoft Teams. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Microsoft Teams. So open up Teams and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you will first need to be on your chat section to find the person that you want to block. So simply search for that person, open it up, and then tap on their name. After you tap on their name, that is on the top here, as you can see, tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see their name again. If you tap on it, you will be redirected to this section. After you tap on their name and you're on this section, tap on block. After you do that, tap on block again, and you'll have blocked this person. And that is how you can block someone on Teams. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.